Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle, inside and out, engine bay, undercarriage. We're going to go through it all. Looking at the tires, date code 2022, and they are really, really clean. You can see that. Tire size 275/70 18s, Sumitomos. You can see they got a ton of tread left. Very, very nice. Scanning in here, looking at the paint. It's an amazing condition. Now it is cloudy. There are a lot of swirls in the gloss black here, but being cloudy, you're not going to see it. But still, overall, the paint looks good. A couple little spots of like kind of hard water runs, if you can see that in the paint. Little fading spots. Plastic, though, looks good. Side mirror looks nice. That looks awesome. Got the dark window tint. The sticker here is perfect. Got a little rock chip right there. A little chip here. Couple scuffs on the graphic, but for the most part that looks incredible. A couple little marks, a few little chips, but as a whole the outside of this truck looks incredible. A couple gashes, a few small chips. You can see the graphic here looks amazing. Tires look awesome. Now with the wheels, a couple little scuffs and scratches, a few little flaws. There's a gash right there. Looking in here, at some point it looks like they painted that to kind of cover up some of the dirt and the rust. So you'll see that. We'll get under here and look at underneath it in just a second. I want to look at this wheel again. I forgot to inspect it. So you're going to have some little flaws here and there. The finish is not so bright and vibrant anymore. See that? That is a chrome finish, and this is kind of flaked off. See, the finish has maybe some sun damage or something like that. That's up close, but you know, back here looks really good. Like I said, dark window tint. You have a vinyl bed cover, which is in great condition. Here's the brand. For the most part, all of this looks incredible with just very few little imperfections. Outside of this truck just looks really, really nice. Got a chip there. Tires look incredible. Once again, the finish on this wheel looks really nice. A couple gashes. And once again, you can see kind of the painted frame there. Now this stripe here is crooked. You can see that. A little touch-up spot and whatnot in there. Few small chips, but for the most part, once again, that door looks incredible. Mirror looks good. A little fading. A couple rock chips. That grill looks nice. Looking at the front bumper, normal rock chips. If you get close, you're going to see them. Couple gashes and scratches. Here's a larger spot right there. The clear coat is chipping right there. It looks like they kind of touched it up to try to preserve it a little bit. So you're gonna have some spots. That's probably the largest of all of them. For the most part, that looks good. The rest of that looks nice. So overall, walking around that truck, that's in really good condition. Now let's check the undercarriage here. And that's where you're going to see a lot of flaws. for you. I know I'm moving kind of fast, but it gives you just an idea. Right, let's check out the engine bay here. Got the Motorcraft battery. No corrosion in there. I don't see a date code on it. Alright, checking out the interior. Got the all black with the Harley Davidson accents everywhere. Super cool. Now you do have a lot of wear on this seat. Got some rips, got some tears, tons of wrinkles. The upper section though here is in good condition. This has definitely had a lot of wear. Looking at that door panel, gloss black looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. Now when we get down here, you do have a lot of rust on it. It looks like it was kind of spray painted to kind of cover it up, protect it a little bit more. But you can see that's just kind of flaking off, just falling apart on that side. And then right here on this trim, it's not gloss black like this anymore. It looks like it was spray painted. So you got a lot of texture and flaws there. I'm not sure why. But the other side is gloss black and perfect. So maybe it has a little bit of rust and they just kind of coated it. But if you look under here, you're gonna see all of that's just kind of flaking off, unfortunately, which kind of sucks. But looking at the dash, that looks good. 85,000 miles. Steering wheel overall in great condition. Gauges look awesome. Very cool. Got the upgraded screen here. Guess that looks good. Trailer brake controller. A couple little scuffs and scratches here. For the most part, that looks good. Got the sunroof. And then you're gonna see the gloss black up here. You get close, you're gonna see some rust where the cracks kind of formed. So if you get right in there, you can see that little bit of rust forming. I don't see any hail damage or anything like that though. All right, looking at this door panel here on the upper section, looks awesome. Plastics are nice and clean. All of that looks really nice. Now down here, you do have a lot of corrosion. See, it's just flaking off on that lower section. Overall, the jambs look good in here. Looking at the seat, you do have your typical wear. See little scuffs and wrinkles and things like that. That's in great condition. Overall, this upper side looks really nice. Got the all-weather mat. That dash looks good. Upper side nice and clean. Got your sunroof. Looking at this door panel, upper section looks awesome. A little cubby there. That's all nice and clean. I don't see the rust. That looks good. Looking at the seat here, little marks, little scuffs and scratches. looks good. Got the Harley mats. Alright, looking at this door panel. See, this is kind of lifting that leather, but you can kind of pop it back in. That looks good. You do have some deep gashes right there. And then I'm not seeing the rust down there. It looks good. This has been painted. You have a lot of overspray, orange peel, and texture in here that you did not have on the other side. So a lot of that has been painted of some sort. Not quite sure what that is. Jams up here though look good. Wrinkles right here, a couple little scuffs. But for the most part looks good. I don't see any rips or tears. Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. All the windows roll up and down perfect. Really dark window tint. And then you got the eyebrow here on the top side. Got the upgraded screen. I do not see a backup camera on it, so it's just the upgraded screen. Maybe it has Apple CarPlay or something like that. Not sure if it does. I see Spotify. Might just be a little Bluetooth setup. 85,000 miles. I do like this. This is cool. It shows you. I like this. Got 114 miles till E and it displays on that. That's really neat. Shifting nice. Alignment feels good so far. It drives great. Transmission's perfect. I don't feel any little hiccups or anything. Shifting nice and smooth. So far the brakes feel good. I'll do a really good brake test in a second. We're gonna get up and go here as if you were trying to merge on a highway or something. It shifts perfect. I'm gonna hit on the brakes kind of hard here up at that light, test the brakes out. That'll conclude the test. There we go.